front of me is Samsung M33, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this Samsung. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on General Management. Now tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and as you can see, some typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, click on the switcher next to the chosen ones, or click on it and tap on the switcher in it. You can also go back, scroll down again, and tap on more typing options. Then manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!